here. Snap and clap and touch your toes. Raise your hands up, water up. Dance it up, you're hot to go. H-O-T-T-O-G-O. Snap and clap and touch your toes. Raise your hands up, water up. H-O-T-T-O-G-O. H-O-T-T-O-G-O. Can't take me hard to go. H-O-T-T-O-G-O. Can't take me hard to go. Baby, do you like it to be? Read it to your bed. Honey, naughty, night, we doing it with me, doing it with me. H-O-T-T-O-G-O. Raise your hands up, power roll. Make some noise, make the people. Let's go, let's go, let's go. H-O-T-T-O-G-O. Can't take me hard to 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 go. H-O-T-T-O-G-O. What's up, Bandang people? Diyos ko. Kala niyo si Kim Kardashian, no? Nung tinitigan niyo, Kim at Chen sa lang. Okay, thank you so much, G-Force. Lagay mo na yan sa likod, huwag mo iuwi, di pa bayad yan. Okay, uhulog-hulugan ko pa yan. Marami-rami pa akong bubunuin dito. Oh my God, I'm so happy to be here! What's up, Bandang England? Ayan, nag-sink in na sa inyo na ako yung nasa harapan niyo. Kasi kanina, nung tinawag yung pangalan ko, wala pa ako naghihiyawan kayo. Pero nung lumabas ako, parang nabigla, natulala. But it's okay, I fully understand. I understand. Alam kong hindi nyo inaasahan na ganito ako kaganda sa personal. Diba? Pag nakatalikod ka, alam mo, heart evangelista, diba? Pag harap, cheese, escudero, o joke lang ha, joke lang. Komedyante ako. Mga pota kayo, nakakalimutan nyo yun. Komedyante. Ah! Diyos ko! May isa pang blandina. Did you get the memo? Only one blonde is allowed in the room today. Diyos ko. Halika, kausapin nga natin to. Hi, what's your name?
I'm Molly Palma from Samar, and I live here in Birmingham.
Oh, how long have you been living here in Birmingham?
I live here for the last 24 years.
24 years ka na dito, pero parang hirap ka pa rin mag-English. Okay lang yun. Diba? Kasi hindi naman sa lahat ng pagkakataon nag-i-English kayo, lalo na kung ang kasama mo puro mga Pilipino din, mga taga-Samar din. Diba what do you do here in Birmingham? What is the nature of your existence?
I'm a registered nurse at the Queen Elizabeth Hospital. And also, I'm a beauty queen maker, the royalties king and queen maker.
Beauty queen maker? Nagtitrain ka namang beauty queen? O ba't oily ka? Dapat fresh yung mga beauty queen. No, it's okay. But I really appreciate your effort of, looking this fabulous today. We appreciate. I can feel that you are very excited to see all these stars from ABS-CBN. Are you having a great time so far?
Yes, so far, I'm very happy that I finally meet you. Yeah. Actually, we have a common friend. Michael Sink is a friend of mine.
Oh yeah, Michael Cinco? Is he your friend? Really? Why? Charot, ang taray. Okay, nice to meet you. Taray. Yung mga Pilipino pala dito sa Birmingham, amoy araw din. So bakit ka amoy araw? Eh, mahamog naman sa paligid. Umuulan nga. Okay, dito ako sa taas para mas makita yung kagandahan ko, para hindi malugi yung mga nasa likod. You deserve to see this beauty. Thank you very much. Come on, atake. Aura con aura. Okay, this guy wearing glasses, he's been staring at me differently today. I assume he's not Filipino. You're not Filipino. You're British, sir? You're British. Congratulations. Congratulations. O, ay, maganda ako sa LED. Ayaw ko pakita eh. Di ko makita eh. Yeah, you're British and the woman beside you is your wife. Congratulations. I would like to personally congratulate the both of you, especially the husband. Excuse me. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, madam. What?
He came here to see you.
You came here to see me? Why? Do I look like your father? Does your father look like me? Are you looking for him? No. What is your name?
James.
James. Is that correct? Your wife just told me that you came here to see me. Is that right, or he's just pulling my leg? Don't pull my leg. Pull something else. I'm just kidding. Is it true?
That's true.
Why? Why are you looking forward to seeing me?
When I lived in the Philippines, I really enjoyed the shows when you were on.
So you watch Showtime all the time?
Yeah, when I moved.
Every day?
Yes.
That's not true. We don't air on Sundays. We only air 6 days a week. How can you tell me that you watch Showtime all week, all days of the week? But it's okay. You watch Showtime every day. So do you know Ann Curtis?
Yes.
She's one of the ugliest personalities in the Philippines. One of the ugliest faces. Oh my God! If you get to see her in person, the skin is so awful. Oh my God! Yeah, and she smells so bad. No, I'm just kidding. Ann Curtis is my sister, and she's a wonderful, beautiful human being. Yeah. So, how old are you? Ate, pa-picture ka na pa-picture. Ano ako? Baka tourist spot? Nakita mo may kausap ako, di ba? Tapos pa-picture na, yun naman akong tourist spot. Okay. What? Thank you very much, but I cannot return the love. You're a woman. I'm sorry, I don't eat seafoods. I only eat century eggs. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, I'll give you a kiss. Thank you very much. How long have you been together?
Since 2013.
20, so ako pa magkukompute. 25 minus 13, 12 years. You've been together for 12 years. How was it?
Amazing.
Amazing so far. So, how was your life? Very active? What part of your married life is very active? Everything. Oh my goodness. Can I join the activity? You know, just once a week. No. Yeah, so thank you very much for taking care of my fellow Filipina here. And yes, sincerely, honestly, I would like to congratulate you because marrying a Filipina is the best choice, best decision that you have ever made in your entire life. The Filipinos make the best wives in the whole world. Filipinos are very hospitable. And once you have sex with them, you go straight to the hospital. No, just kidding. Just kidding. Okay. Why are you wearing glasses? I want to see your beautiful eyes. Oh my God! Amazing. You have 2 eyes. Yeah, just like me. Awesome. All right. Okay, nice to meet you. Okay. I I love you, ate. Mag-ingat ka. Taga-saan ka sa Pilipinas?
Quezon City.
Quezon City. Naku, tamang-tama. Bahang-bahang ngayon sa Quezon City. Buti na lang nandito ka. Diba? Ano ito? You're giving me a ring? I'm married. What?
Friendship ring.
Friendship ring. Oh, thank you. I can take the ring, but I cannot take the friendship. I've got a lot of friends already. I don't plan to add anyone anymore. No. Why are you giving me a friendship ring? I'm not expecting this.
Because I'm really proud of you I saw you 10 years ago in London. And you've come a long way and you're really smart, intelligent.
Oh my God, thank you. That melts my heart. What?
I hope it fits you.
I hope it does too. Is it real or just... It's real? I will find a way to fit it. Oh my God, perfect. I want the necklace also. It's beautiful. Is it important to you? If it's not, don't give it to me. You have to help your poor fellow Filipinos. Yeah. Thank you. You're Filipino also, di ba? Saan ka sa Pilipinas?
Manila.
Manila, ay bahatin dun ngayon! Di ba? Kaya ang swerte-swerte natin, di ba? Dumating ako dito sa London, slight na loka din ako kasi sabi ko, ay umuulan, ulan ng ulan. Pero sabi ko, okay lang, may flood control naman sila dito, for sure. Kaya okay lang mag-uulan, safe naman kayo. Di ba? Sa Pilipinas kasi, umihi lang si Lord, bahang-bahana. Okay. I love you too so much. Alam mo, kapal na mukha ko, tinanggap ko talaga yung sing-sing. Parang bigla ko napag-isip, am I supposed to accept it? Of course! Oh, bakla ka, oh. Sa dinabi-dami ng artistang nag-perform, ako lang nabigyan ng sing-sing. Pa. Yes! Magkano kaya sangla nito? Okay, thank you very much. Okay. I love you too very much. Kanina pa kayo nandito, aga-aga niyong dumating, tama? And we are very grateful dahil up until now, ang taas pa ng energy niyo as if we just started. Give yourselves a big hand. Damang-dama ko ang energy. Kasi tingnan niyo, kung saan tuturo itong kamay ko, tingnan mo, magwawala yung tao dahil mataas ang energy nila. Wow! Iba! Party ang mga tao. Since party mode kayo, I would like to invite everyone to stand up. Let's stand up and dance.